Good morning, bird nerds. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. It's Sunday, the 1st of January here in Wurundjeri country, unceded Wurundjeri country. I've just seen and heard my first galah for the year, but not my first seen and heard in general. There he goes. Oh, here they come. First heard this morning, Australian magpie. That's a glorious thing, so that's the top of my list for 2023. First seen, less glorious, invasive species, spotted dove. Hopefully that's not an omen. There's the galah. I made my first big mistake of the year too, bird watching, already. I'm going to talk about it on the live stream, 12:30 Australian Eastern Daylight Time, replaying powerful owls. How do you handle them for research? Oh my God, bye.